It's the biggest overhaul of the Central Government Health Scheme, or CGHS, in more than a decade. Effective 13th of October, sweeping changes will be introduced to the healthcare system, which impacts nearly 50 lakh central government employees, pensioners, and their families across the country. The revised system features city tier-based pricing, expanded package inclusions, and a new rate structure for nearly 2,000 medical procedures. This is the first major revision since 2014, with the aim to address medical inflation and improve access to quality care for all CGHS beneficiaries. Under the new system, hospitals in Tier 1 cities will follow base package rates. In Tier 2 cities, rates will be 10 to 19% lower, while Tier 3 cities will see a 20% reduction compared to Tier 1. For example, a procedure costing 5,000 rupees in a Tier 1 city, NABH accredited hospital will cost only 4,500 rupees in a Tier 2 city and 4,000 rupees in a Tier 3 facility. Hospital accreditation status directly impacts rates. NABH accredited hospitals receive standard rates. Non-accredited hospitals will receive 15% less. Super specialty hospitals with over 200 beds receive a 15% premium over the base NABH rates. Ward entitlement will also change. Rates for general ward patients will see a 5% decrease, while those for private wards rise by 5%. Semi-private wards set the new benchmark for package rates under the revised policy. Routine OPD consultations, investigations, and minor daycare procedures will be standardized regardless of city or entitlement. The government has also improved the online CGHS portal, simplified the referral process, upgraded the drug supply chain, and added many private hospitals for cashless treatment access. Importantly, transgender children and siblings fully dependent on serving or retired government employees are now eligible for full CGHS benefits, reflecting a major push for inclusivity and equity. Importantly, the new system offers patients an all-inclusive lump sum cost applicable from the time of admission to discharge, covering the entire treatment cycle for a person. These will include everything from admission charges to cost of medicines and consumables, from doctor charges to nursing care, and even physiotherapy and routine and essential investigations during the admission of the patient. Though the costs associated with these changes have not been officially disclosed by the Ministry of Health, industry estimates suggest the overhaul, including the 25% to 30% average increase in package rates and expansion of empanelled hospitals, will significantly raise government healthcare expenditure. They will, however, address previous underpricing and improve hospital participation in cashless treatment schemes. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.